Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to enable or disable the Windows 11 firewall perfect for managing security settings. We'll go step by step and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Alright, let's dive in. First, open Settings. Click the Start button, then the gear icon to open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Windows Security and select Firewall and Network Protection. Click your active network like Public Network and toggle the firewall switch to On or Off. For more control, click Advanced Settings and customize rules for specific apps. One tip: if you disable the firewall, ensure you have another security app running to stay protected. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments if you changed your firewall settings. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.